If you wonder if Realme C71 does have IR Blaster, let me quickly explain this. As you take a look at the top of your phone, this is the place where you can usually find the IR Blaster. There is nothing right here, but in some cases you can find the IR Blaster at the back of the phone, and I'm thinking that it is this one because it's not the camera, only these two sensors are the cameras, and here is some kind of the hole, and it is apparently not a camera. I thought that it is the IR Blaster, but when I took a look for the applications on this phone right here and tried to find the remote application or anything like this, I wasn't able to find actually any application which would allow us to add a remote. So like, I'm not really sure if this phone does really have IR Blaster or not. I couldn't also find any information in the internet about this thing right here. So yeah, according that if it doesn't have this application, I suppose that this phone actually doesn't have the IR Blaster, and this weird thing at the back of the phone is, I don't really know what it is.